Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Spigen case lineup for your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now all of these cases you can get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from 10 to 16 bucks. Now I'm going to try to make this quick, so we're just going to check the buttons and the cutouts. We'll check the razivity. We'll check wireless charge and reverse wireless charging. And we'll see if it's Slamboy certified. All right, so let's get busy. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. First up, we got the Thin Fit. Now this one is going to run you 10 bucks. Let's pop it open and see what it is. Now on a side note, I read the reviews on this one. There's only one review on Amazon. It got a 1-star rating. So I happened to read the review, and the person that rated it was saying they was mad because it doesn't protect the screen. This is exactly why you got to watch these case videos. The name of this case is Thin Fit. It's not supposed to protect the screen. As you can see clearly right here, this is a thin case. All right, just a piece of hard shell plastic, little Spigen branding on it. There's all your cutouts. Cutouts on the bottom, little cutout on the top. Let's slap this one on. As you can see for yourself, no razivity on this one. Now, if you don't know what razivity is, that's one of my words. That means how much does the case raise above the screen? So can it be slammed? That means Slamboy certified. Can you slam it on the table? And this one is not Slamboy certified. This is one of those cases that if you just want to protect the back of your phone from getting all scratched up, but you still want that minimalistic feel, this is the one for you. It literally adds no extra thickness, no extra weight. Let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Let's check the buttons. Okay, there's all the buttons. Everything is wide open. Now let's check our reverse wireless charging. Now here's how I'm going to test this. We got a Galaxy watch. Let's see if it starts charging up. There it is. Wait for that animation. Bingo. So wireless charge and reverse wireless charging on deck. Let's keep it moving. Let's look one more time. Thin Fit. All right, let's keep it moving. Let's see how hard this is to take off. Nice and simple. What we got next? Next up, let's take a look at the Liquid Air. Now this one's going to run you 12 bucks. Got a little pull tab on the top. No beast mode necessary. Let's see what it is. Okay. Liquid Air. Now this has that textured feel on the back. On the inside. Hold up. Shout out to White Shoes. No days off. All right, White Shoes. Calm down. All right, Liquid Air. There's your web pattern on the inside. That's for shock absorption. Let's check the buttons. There's your buttons. Cutouts. Buttons. Cutouts. Let's see. This is nice and flexible. We'll slap it on the S10 Plus and see what it looks like. Okay, all the cutouts line up. All right, shoot, scoot, scoot. There's all your cutouts. Let's check the buttons. Okay, there's your buttons. Let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. And let's check reverse wireless charging. Okay, now, matter of fact, for this, to make it easier, so y'all can see it clearly, let's just use an iPhone. There's reverse wireless charging. Liquid Air. Let's see. A little bit of razivity on this one. This is pretty Slamboy certified. Adds a little bit of extra weight, a little bit of thickness, not much. All right, so here's your Liquid Air. Let's keep it pushing. Next up, we got the, let's take it over to the Liquid Crystal. Now this one's going to run you 12 bucks. One thing I will say about these Spigen cases, the price is right. All right, so this is the Liquid Crystal. Uh-oh. Do I see sticker struggles? Let's see. Okay, good. No sticker struggles on this one. Get a little pamphlet right there. Get your little wet wipe. Check this out. Now this is just a gel skin case. Flexible. There's your buttons, cutouts, buttons. Let's slap this one on. Okay. Now these gel skin cases, you might have to work them around. Okay, now look at this. Nice amount of razivity on this one. Feels good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. Woo! Now this is the case if you want to showcase the color of your phone. So if you got that white S10 Plus and you want it to shine through, get something like this. Now on a side note, if you rock this case every day, especially if you're wearing denim jeans, the corners will start to turn yellow. That's not just on Spigen cases. That's basically on any one of these transparent style cases. So if you're going to get this case, buy one of these on the side, rock these to work all day, rock them to the gym, and then when you're going out and you want to get fresh, then you drop on your liquid crystal. Let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. Let's check the buttons. Hey, there's your buttons. Let's check reverse wireless charging. Okay, grab a little iPhone. There it is. And of course, shoes don't flinch. Slam Boy certified. You flinched. All right, so this is the liquid air. Liquid crystal. Let's keep it moving. Let's see how hard this one is to take off. Pops right off. Okay, next up. Let's take it over to the rugged Armour. Now I love this case right here. Y'all know I'm all about that carbon fiber life. This one's gonna run you 12 bucks. Okay, rugged Armour. Check this one out. Whew. Look at that carbon fiber trim on the top. Now I always gotta say this. This is not real carbon fiber. All right, stop typing. It's not real carbon fiber. It's a $12 case. It's just a sticker. All right, calm down. But it looks nice, and I've been using this case for years. The sticker is never going to peel off. You can rock this as a daily case. There's your buttons. Now on the side, you got a little bit of grip. All right, little textured pattern. There's your web pattern on the inside, shock absorption. Buttons, cutouts, buttons, and cutouts. Slap it on the S10. Okay, now this one has a nice amount of razivity. So this was Slam Boy certified, 100%. Let's check the reverse wireless charging. Okay, grab a little phone. There it is. Let's check regular wireless charging. There it is. And of course, let's check that power button. That's important. It's a go. All right, so the rugged Armour. Let's keep it moving. Next up, let's take it over to the Silicone Fit. Now this one's gonna run you 13 bucks. Silicone Fit. Okay. Now this is one of the new cases. Ooh, now I never seen this one. This is brand new. Oh, this is nice right here. Check this out. On the inside, let me do the smell test. Woo! Smells like velvet. Shoes, what that smell like? Shoes likes it too. Nice felt style material, kind of feels like Alcantara. That's going to protect the back of your phone from getting scratched. This has a silicone feel to it. All right, so no fingerprints on this. There's all your cutouts, buttons, cutouts, buttons. We'll slap this one on. Look at this. Now check the razivity. Nice amount. Slam Boy certified. Let's check the buttons. All right, there's your buttons. Let's check wireless charge. There's your wireless charge. And let's check reverse wireless charging. Okay. Grab a little phone. There it is. I'm feeling this one right here, Silicone Fit. This could be my daily case. No fingerprints. All right, so that's the theme so far. With all of these cases, we haven't seen any fingerprint magnets yet. But I like this one. Protects the top and the bottom. And you got actual razivity on deck. Silicone Fit, 13 bucks. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, let's take it over to the Neo Hybrid. Now, this one's going to run you 16 bucks. This is one of my top 3 favorite Spigen cases. Got them on all of my phones. Neo Hybrid. Now, let's check this one right here. This looks like a new design. Okay, classic style. This is a 2-part style case. So you got a plastic around the side. That's your bumper. Flexible TPU material. There's your web pattern for shock absorption. Buttons, cutouts, buttons, and cutouts. Let's slap this one on. Okay, now this one right here adds a little bit of extra weight but in a good way. Now, if you got a Galaxy S10 Plus, you already know this is one of the most slipperiest phones on the market. So you're going to need a case. Has those ridges on the back. Gives you a nice amount of grip. Let's check that power button. Okay, no problems with that. Let's check wireless charge. There it is. Let's check reverse wireless charging. I love that on-screen fingerprint sensor. Let's grab a little phone. There it is. And of course, look at the razivity on this one. You already know. This one is Slam Boy certified. This is the Neo Hybrid. Now, on a side note, if you got a Galaxy Note 9, you need the Neo Hybrid. This is the best case made for the Galaxy Note 9. Here's my Note 9. Here's my S10 Plus. Now, on the side note, I'm going to do the real review next week when I get my retail unit. But everybody been asking me, if you got a Galaxy Note 9, do you need to upgrade to the S10 Plus? And the answer is no. All right, don't do it to yourself. Let's keep it moving. We'll talk more about that in a minute. Next up, let's take it over to the Slim Armour CS. Now, this one's going to run you $16. This is one of my favorite cases also. The CS stands for card slot. All right, the Slim Armour card slot. I know. Okay, now check this out. This is maximum protection on this. There's your web pad and shock absorption. 2-part style case. You can separate it if you want, but it's TPU, hard shell, bumper going around the sides. On the back, you got your slot. All right. I'm not saying it again, y'all. You got your slot. I said it one more time. Let's slap this one on shoes. Calm down. Let's slap this one on and see what it looks like. Now look at this one. Maximum razivity on this. There's your power button. No problems. Slam Boy certified. Let's see if we get wireless charge through that slot. There it is. Now let's check and see if we could get some reverse wireless charging activities. All right, so let's hit that button. Okay. Reverse wireless charging through the card slot. Now let me see. Do I have any credit cards on me? I might. Let me see. Okay, I do have one on me. I'm going to slap this in here real quick. Now, I don't want y'all to see my information. I don't have the dummy card. I actually got the real card. But this is what's going to look like. All right, so that's one card in there. Let me drop my driver's license in here, too. All right, so I got two credit cards. I mean, a credit card and a driver's license, and I can rock out. Now, just for fun, you shouldn't be doing this, but let's see if we can. No wireless. Oh, yep. Wireless charge through your credit card. Now, they say that could damage the magnetic strip. I've been doing it for years. I never had a problem, but I don't recommend it. But this is your perfect going out style case, because when you get to where you're going, you got your driver's license and you got your credit card. And they pop right out. All right, so that's two cards in one case. All right, so this is the Slim Armour CS. Let's see if it's Slam Boy certified. Slam Boy certified. Let's keep it moving. We got one more. Okay, so let's take it over to my favorite Spigen case. We got the Tough Armor. Now, this one is going to run you $16. So all of these cases in this video, everything under $20. $16 for the Tough Armor. This is a classic case. You've seen this for years. File that, flick of the wrist. Check this out. Now, this is a 2-part style case. Hard shell with TPU. Reinforced corners. Web pattern for shock absorption. Buttons, cutouts. Buttons and cutouts. And you got a kickstand on the back. Now, this kickstand does snap into place. You hear that little snap? Let's slap this one in. Now, this is going to be my day-to-day case. This case is actually perfect for this phone. One of the things that I don't like about the Galaxy S10 Plus is the curved screen. If you're rocking this case with no, rocking this phone with no case, depending on how you hold your phone, sometimes you'll be touching the screen and you notice it might seem unresponsive, but that's because the piece of your finger is actually touching the side of the phone. I hate that. Now, when you're using a case like this, that's going to get rid of that problem. Let's check reverse wireless charging first. No problems. Let's check wireless charge. No problems on that. Look at the razivity on this. Maximum razivity. Adds a nice amount of extra weight, but that good weight. Slam Boy certified. This case is official tissue. Now this is what's going to look like when you got the kickstand open. Just like that. So say you're watching a YouTube video. Going to be just like this. Matter of fact, let's slap something on just so y'all can see what it is. Let's go over to, well, I keep hitting YouTube TV. Let's go to regular YouTube. Love them little pop-up bubbles. Let's see, we got some Mortal Kombat 11, Johnny Cage. Shout out to my man Honeybee. This is what's going to look like when you're chilling at work watching the video.
Versus Johnny Cage should be good.
I like that. Okay, let's exit out of that. Now, like I said, when you lock this kickstand back, you heard that little snap? Let's do the shake test. It's not going to open in your pocket. All right, so this is the Tough Armour, my favorite one. Anyway, let's wrap this up. All right, so this is your Spigen case lineup for your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Everything under 20 bucks. Now, there's two things I want to mention. Number one, full review. Now, I'm going to do that next week when I get my retail version. Now, I hate doing real reviews on demo units because if there's something that I don't like, you can't just chalk it off to, okay, this is a pre-production unit. Maybe the official one has a patch or something. No, I wait to get the official tissue version so I can give y'all my official tissue review. Number two, I did order the S10 and the S10e. So when I get those next week, I'll do separate unboxings and we'll do all the cases for those phones too. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.